Hey guys, welcome to Full Time Trader, the show where we talk about stock tips, stock news, and stocks to trade. And in this episode, I want to talk about another stock that I added to my portfolio. And if you guys haven't noticed yet, I basically like to do my research every day, and I'm looking for stocks that have higher insider ownership, higher institutional ownership, and a higher price target. Now, when I go for the price target, I always look for stocks that have a price target of 100 to 1,000%. It's a recipe for a winning trade. Those are the main criteria that I specifically look for. But there's other criteria, like I don't like to trade stocks that are under $2. And I know there's a lot of other traders that understand me and know what I'm talking about. So I like to do quality due diligence on those stocks. I talk a lot about my due diligence on my Twitter, so feel free to follow me on Twitter. I also give intraday trading alerts. Now, the new stock that I added to my portfolio, ticker symbol CDAK. It's a biotech company, still considered a micro cap stock with a market cap of almost 300 million. So this one has a lower insider ownership, and I talked about it before. Stocks that have a higher insider ownership usually tend to be more volatile to the upside and the downside. You know, when more insiders are buying, the stock is going to be drastically up. When more insiders are selling, the stock is going to be drastically down. So this one doesn't have too many insiders that own it. That's why it's going to be a little bit less volatile. Now, it's also a low float stock with lower short float. The short float is less than 5%. So usually stocks that have like 15 to 20% short float, they have higher chance of multi-day breakouts just because of all the shorts that are closing their positions. But this one is a whole different story. It has a lower short float, but at the same time, the stock is on a higher price. Right now, it's trading at the $15 levels. It has an institutional ownership of less than 20%. Now, when we talk about average volume, the average volume is still small, less than the 500 millions. So stock is completely undiscovered, and it has a price target of $29. Now, all the criteria that I just mentioned, the institutional ownership, the insider ownership, the price, the average volume, all of that combined could make the stock become the next 100% runner or more just because of the hype. A lot of the times we would see stocks in the stock market that double or triple, but then their CEOs come out with a message that they have no idea why the stock went up. Most of the times those stocks actually double or triple in price just because of hype and clueless investors that just buy the stock without doing any research. But for me, with all those criteria, as a biotech, with that price, institutional ownership, all of that together, and the price target, I can definitely see it becoming one of the 100% runners in the future. And even if it doesn't, it's still considered for a quality swing trade for me. Even if you try to swing something that's considered a strong buy with a higher institutional ownership, insider ownership, and a price target, even if it doesn't reach that price target, but it's still in your swing account with a lot of other stocks, and that stock is up 10-20%, not 100% like you anticipated, that's still great. So I want to say thank you guys for all the attention that I've been getting, all the new followers, all the new subscribers. If you like this video, please leave a comment and thumbs up. I see all your comments, I reply to everything, and I want to say thank you guys for all the support again. And until the next one, guys, peace out.